Hey there, viewers! 10 dumbbell exercises that will round out your shoulders. Do you want to achieve a bigger and stronger shoulder? If yes, then follow these dumbbell workouts. For you to achieve a robust shoulder, you need to target them from multiple angles to activate all 3 heads of the deltoid muscle. Dumbbells are the perfect tool for the job. The best dumbbell shoulder workout includes more than just the typical overhead press. It should include moves that work the sides and back of your shoulders too. In today's video, we will learn 10 types of dumbbell workouts to round out your shoulders. Keep on watching. Number 1. Reverse fly. Your rear deltoids are the weakest muscles in your shoulders, so it's best to start with them when you've got the most energy. The goal is to hold the top of the lift for a second before lowering it. Hold the dumbbell in each hand, bend your knees slightly and lean forward 45 degrees from your hips. Hold the dumbbells together below you and keep your shoulder blades retracted. With your arms slightly bent, raise the weights out to your sides until your arms are parallel to the floor. Slowly return them to the start. As soon as you use a bit of extra momentum from your legs or your hips, you will be shifting the tension away from your rear deltoids and rendering this exercise useless. Reduce the weight rather than giving your muscles extra help. Number 2. Lateral Raise. The lateral raise is a classic shoulder exercise that targets the side delts intensely, with some front delt action as well. Lateral raise involves a similar movement with reverse fly, but by standing upright, you're switching the focus to the medial deltoids or the middle muscles of your shoulder. Focus on keeping your form, lowering the weight slowly to challenge the muscles on both sections of the lift. Stand tall with your core braced and feet together. Hold the dumbbells together in front of your abdomen with palms facing each other. Starting from your elbows, raise the weights out to the sides, making sure you use your muscles and not momentum. Stop at shoulder height, then slowly return to the start. Go light, go slow, and keep your body upright and neck relaxed so you don't shift the emphasis onto your traps. Number 3. Arnold Press. Curl the dumbbells up and bring them in front of you. Your palms should be facing you. Press the weights above your head until your arms are straight, twisting them as you go so your palms end up facing forwards. Reverse the movement so that the weights are in front of your chest again. That's 1 rep. The goal is to maintain tension on your shoulder muscle as long as possible to make them grow back stronger. Stop fractionally short of full extension at the top of the move and only lower the weights until your upper arms are parallel with the floor. It is a great move for overall shoulder development, especially targeting the front and side heads of the deltoid with a great range of motion. Number 4. Overhead press. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at your shoulders with your palms facing out and your elbows bent. Press the dumbbells overhead, straightening your elbows completely. Make sure that you keep your core engaged and hips tucked to avoid arching your lower back as you lift your arms. Slowly bend your elbows to lower the weight back down to the starting position. Number 5. Single leg reverse fly. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your arms at your sides, palms facing in. To get into starting position, hinge forward at your hips as if you were going into a deadlift. Place your weight on your left leg and lift your right leg straight out behind you. Gaze at the ground a few inches in front of your left foot to keep your neck in a comfortable position. The weights should be hanging down toward the floor. With a slight bend in your elbows, slowly lift the weights up and out to the sides until they're in line with your shoulders. Lower them back down with control. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. Number 6. Halo. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart. Hold a dumbbell at your chest with both hands, gripping it on each end. This is the starting position. Lift the weight to eye level and slowly circle it around your head counterclockwise, making a halo shape. Return to the starting position. Repeat in the opposite direction. Number 7. Rear Delt Raise. The rear delt raise is a laser focus on your rear deltoid. This tends to get a little less attention in shoulder workouts, many times leaving it smaller and weaker than the other muscles of your shoulder and deltoids. While most people often think of the shoulder from the front or maybe side of the body, Having a fully developed rear delt round out the look of the shoulders and solidifies their shape all the way around your body. Set up standing in a bent-over position, hinged at the hips with a strong core and flat back. Start by holding your dumbbells in both hands with arms relaxed in front of you and palms facing your body, thumbs touching each other. Initiate the movement with your rear delt, keeping a slight bend in the elbow, raising the dumbbells as far as you can without engaging the upper back muscles. You do not want to squeeze the shoulder blades together. Think about a string pulling the dumbbells up. Slowly lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position under control, keeping the thumbs pointed toward each other throughout the movement. Number 8. Front raise. There are many ways to do this, but it's best to do it seated, all reps on one arm, to really isolate one side at a time without swinging. The seated position itself helps with that isolation too. Sit on a chair or bench, preferably with your back supported. Start by holding your dumbbells down at your sides, palms facing behind you. With a slight bend in the elbow, raise one arm up until the dumbbell reaches shoulder height. Slowly lower it back down to the starting position under control, repeating all reps on that side before switching to the other side. Number 9. Bent over reverse fly. The reverse fly is actually as much a back exercise as a shoulder exercise, but it can strengthen the lower muscles of your shoulder group and help support and protect your entire shoulder, while also helping you build up that coveted V shape. Standing with feet shoulder width apart, hinge forward at the hips to a 45-degree angle, keeping a slight bend in the knees. Grab a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing in. Lift the weights out to the sides of your body, squeezing the shoulder blades together and keeping a slight bend in the elbow. Bring the weights back down gently. Look down and maintain alignment through the neck and spine so you are not straining your neck. Avoid swinging or jerking the weights to bring them up. Keep it slow, steady, and smooth. Number 10. Dumbbell Renegade Rows. This workout is a stability killer while creating the strongest back you have ever had and strengthening your core. Using 2 dumbbells, begin in a plank position with your hands on the dumbbells, keeping shoulders directly in line with your hands, balancing on your toes. Ensure you can keep a straight line from the back of your head to your heels. If you're struggling with balance, drop to your knees but keep the straight line from the back of your head to your knees. Squeeze your shoulders down towards your heels. Don't let your hips drop. Drive one dumbbell towards your waist, keeping your elbow in line with your back as you bring the dumbbell up. Slowly return the dumbbells back to the floor, underneath shoulders, and continue on the other side. Keep your hips still so they don't move side to side, to help take your feet wider to give you more stability. Which of these dumbbell exercises do you think will work the best for you? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.